So today we are going to discuss Rutherford's model of atom. We know electron was discovered by J.J. Thomson. Okay, and how Rutherford come to conclusion about the model of atom? He come to conclusion by the experiments of Geiger and Marsden. So Geiger and Marsden's, they are two scientists. They perform different experiments, and from their experiments, Rutherford came to conclusion about the Rutherford's model of atom. So what was their one of their experiment? Means the experiment of Geiger and Marsden. So what they did, they took a bismuth source which emitted alpha particles. Okay, like here it is a source, it is emitting alpha particles. Alpha particles are coming out like this in all directions. Here they put lead bricks. So now alpha particles go like this, they form a collimated beam. Then in front of it they placed a gold foil. And here they put a zinc sulfide screen and microscope. So basically this is bismuth source, it is emitting alpha particles, they are collimated by lead bricks passing through gold foil, and their scintillations are observed on this zinc sulfide screen, and it has microscope with it. Okay, and they varied the angle. This screen is allowed to move, it can be bring to here. They observe different angles. So what was their observation? Their observation like this. So this here on y-axis they took number of scattered particles, number of particles scattered, and on axis this is scatter, that is scattering angle. Okay, so what is going on there? This is like this, 10 of 7, 10 of 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, and the angle is going from 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, etc. So they are observing that there were some observation points like this. Okay, so it comes already like this. Okay, so these are the actual points, actual observable points, and the solid curves represent the prediction. Here it is number of alpha particles scattered, it is scattering angle. Okay, so from what Rutherford concluded that most of the alpha particles, they think there it is a foil of gold. Most of alpha particles they move undeviated, because if angle is less than 20 degree, most of the alpha particles went away. Why they are moving in such a way? Because if you consider atom like this, and it is a nucleus. Okay, so if alpha particles go like this, if they are going like this, they are going like this. Okay, so if there are tens of 7 numbers and scattering angle is less than 20, so why it is happening? Because most of alpha particles passing through this gold foil and deviated, they are moving straight, there is no deflection, means most of the power, most of the atom, it is an empty space. Okay, some, there is very less they are returning back. Okay, means 1 in 8,000 return back. So how it can return back? It will return only back if it encounter the nucleus in front of it. Okay, then it will return back, otherwise it will pass away straight. Okay, so this graph suggests it, and it is this graph is plotted by Geiger and Marston, and from this graph Rutherford concluded and gave this model. This model is known as nuclear model of atom. So inside a nucleus there is a inside the atom there is a nucleus, and if there are electrons, suppose, so alpha particles are so heavy, it is 2He4, it does not get deflected by the electrons, they are so heavy. If here it is nucleus, it is of gold, so it can deflect back the alpha particles. Okay, so from this he concluded that atoms like this, that at the center it is nucleus and the whole of the space is empty, and the size of nucleus is of 10 to minus 15 meter, and size of atom is 10 to 10 meter, 10 to minus 10 meter, and size of atom is 10,000 or 1 lakh that of the nucleus.